Hello friends, my name is Chiranjit. Welcome to Chiranjit tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to make JPEG in Adobe Illustrator. So this is very simple. You have to go file and choose export option, and here is so many options. You have to choose JPG and click on this use artboard, and where you want to save this, choose the location and to save it in G drive and export. And this is color mode, in which color do you want. This is RGB CMYK grayscale. I want to save it in RGB mode, and this is the quality, low, medium, high, maximum. I want to save it in maximum, so choose the maximum option. Here is the resolution, you can change here, and you can make it 300, 600, in which resolution you can customize here, and to make it in 600p resolution, and then press the OK, and let's save it. And you can show here, this is the JPEG, save here. So guys, thank you for watching the video.